Okay, this is Shamisha. Yeah, there's a number of issues with this. There's some speed and acceleration issues where it seems to kind of speed up and slow down, and it doesn't move like a bounce. It kind of slows down as it approaches the ground. So it doesn't have that nice poppy bouncy move. And also the spinning is strange because it suddenly speeds up spinning at the end, which is kind of odd. Let's take a look in Maya. Um, And it looks like did you animate everything with this? Um, it looks like you've animated the scale, which you shouldn't have done. So let's take off the scale animation. Oh yeah. So you're not supposed to squash and stretch this. Oh yeah, you did your rotate on this too. So this is completely wrong. You're supposed to use this is what you use to squash and stretch with, is this. See how that squashes and stretches the ball. You're not supposed to use the scale for that. And this is what you're meant to do to rotate it, is using this control. But you've just done everything on the ball placement control. So you should put your moves on the move control, your rotate on the rotate control, and your squash on the squash control, and you don't even have to set any keyframes on that. So I think you should actually watch the videos and read the instruction again because you've done this incorrectly. Let's take a look at the realistic bounce. Well, I think the roll looks okay, but the bounce looks super slow motion. So I would say that should speed up dramatically. And also, it should accelerate as it drops. So I'll show you what I mean by that. Um, so here's what it looks like now, where it looks really slow, and it does this weird stuff. Um, so if we look at the Y translate curve, besides this, first of all, this should be a lot faster. So I'll select these W, shift middle mouse drag, and move those over. But then let's break these tangents. Break tangents. Select this one. So here it's going slower, and then it speeds up. It's getting steeper as it drops. And then this should be fast, and then I'm just moving that in. Select that, middle mouse drag to move that up. Okay, let's look at that. Okay, I mean it still needs a lot of work, but it's already at least slightly better because at least it's accelerating and it falls, and when it hits, it has a little bit of a feeling of a bounce. So I think yeah, you could really work on both of these.